Assalamu alaikum, dear all. Welcome to Magnetic Love with Ramadan Season 11. This year, I wanted to do something different. This year, I aim to share with you a Ramadan reminder titled Making the Most of our Ramadan as if it is our last. In this video, it shares approximately over 33 flowers. Some are short in length and others are tall like flowers. However, the buds and petals are kept in position through its peduncle and sepal, striving to maintain its integrity as it faces the world with people who are good and those who are evil. I will start by saying salam, brothers and sisters, dear all, from different parts of the earth ball. How is your Ramadan this year, may I ask? Our self-cleansing mechanism and fasting task. The shaitans are in chain, these form of nature who we assume they detain, from performing good actions, forbidding evil to seek Allah's happiness and satisfaction. However, when we take the shaitan out of the equation, it is us who are mistaken. It is us to blame. It is us who is at fault that we are still the same. We all want to change. We all start off in Ramadan with modes that vary in range, slow, medium and fast. One will ask how long this will last. We are living in times where there is constant comments, a list of contents. Why he or she doing this? Are there any updates on him or her? What did I miss? Did you see how he or she dresses like? The list grows as one goes on the mountain of hike. We are flooded with sins. This month is a race of who wins. This is a moment of seeking Allah's mercy. The quench of our deeds makes us thirsty. Seeking Allah's forgiveness and protection from the fire, to focus on our purpose and fly away from our worldly temporary desire. Why are we here? When I reflect, I often shed a tear. This year has been a slow mode for me. However, I will press the pressure pedal and Allah will see how much He means to me during this blessed month and the rest of the year. For He knows how much I can bear. How can I make the most of this Ramadan as if it is our last? How can we make the most of every fast? Just like a sea, the list of actions flows. As we start from a small action, it glows. What kind of small action, one will ask? It could be a simple smile, removing a harmful letter from the street tile, maintaining kinship, remembering Allah on your lip. Others suggested action would be to read Quran, whether you are off or period is on. If you are off, the Book of Allah can be read. If you are on, through audio or YouTube can be done instead. Understand each word that Allah tries to say. Try to read some Quran in the night or in the day. Ramadan is the month of the Quran in which it was revealed. There is a cure for every disease, big or small, to which our hearts and minds concealed. Donate what we can to those who are in need, to provide clean water, shelter and iftar feed, to help the old and the young, to speak good on our tongue, to perform the 5 daily prayers, to freshen up and not be like a dreyer. This is a form of communication to Allah. There is privacy, wisdom and beauty in what He aims to express in the parlor. We have to start from somewhere and then start to build, rather than be a solid statue that is so chilled. Ramadan occurs once a year, 30 days of contemplation, revival of our faith and being fair, striving to do good deeds day and night, trying to observe hope and bring some light. We all have our trials. Some can be held in small, but others in large vials. But remind you, dear one, that Allah is here for you, even if you sin like a ton. Pull yourself and others together. Try to stay calm, hope and be light in weight like a dove's feather. Each day set a goal. Involve your children like a horse with its foal. Be an inspiration to yourself first and foremost and to others. Be a gift for your fathers and mothers. Be a reminder for your sisters and brothers. Be a helping hand to each other's shoulders. Blood and water. Try to fill your book of good deeds like a dedicated author. Our angels are constantly writing. When we divide and when we are uniting, we will all leave this behind. Worldly pleasures in mind, whether you are rich or poor, whether you are black, brown or white or Moor, we are all considered the servants of God. We are all even and no one is odd. On the day of judgment, nothing can save us from his full torment. He will question our actions with evidence. You cannot not hide anywhere, nor behind a fence. We will answer him, to which we do. I want to go to Jannah, and so do you. Push yourself further to the best you can. Each day is a chance to face the world like a frying pan. We all have those pit holes. Some days we bypass them and other days we fall. Please take it steady. Each day try to be ready. Focus on you and not what others think of you. For Allah alone is all seeing for every movement which we do. It is okay to be tired. It is okay to feel sometimes you are active and wired. Sad be not. If you feel you are behind, each day is a new day to strive to be better and not rewind. The past is the past. Allah loves you and each day is a new chance, so treat it as your last. People from last year did not make it this year. Some people passed during this month of natural causes and it gave a form of seer. How do their loved ones feel? They cry, but they have to remain strong like an alloy of steel. It opens our eyes of how time flies. Young or old, when our time is up, the angel of death is called. Our soul, it will be taken away in a destined time, in the night or in the day. Treat this Ramadan as if it is our last. Work so hard, just like having education we passed. Let us be the ones to enter the door of Rayyan. In Jannah there will be comfort and has a lot more beauty than the Hawaiian. People will be with peace be with you, my dear brothers and sisters. Let us reflect on our actions, big or small, that may cause blisters. Try your best to strive and thrive, whilst you are alive. So many countries are in turmoil and war. These are amongst the signs that the day of judgment is closer than before. There is no time to rest until we pass the Akhirah test. As we dive through the life like an ocean, we can observe all forms of nature and contemplate like a form of potion. Try and have a smooth effect like lotion. Show love to all forms of nature with compassion and devotion. Let us make Ramadan as if it is our last.